Hi, I'm Nate and this is Brandy. We're going to demonstrate an overhead press, which is an exercise for the muscles of your shoulders. The overhead press will target the three heads of the deltoid muscle in the outer part of the shoulder, as well as the trapezius in the upper shoulders, upper back, and neck. I'm going to step aside and let Brandy do the exercise. You want to hold a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing out and your hands at shoulder level. You want to exhale as you push the weights over your head until your arms are straight and in line with your shoulders. Don't lock your elbows completely, and then inhale and return to the starting position.